Hello guys, today I'm making a video on iOS 18 and iOS 18, and the only feature I'll be discussing is you can lock any app with your Face ID or passcode or Touch ID, whatever you're using. So this is iOS 18, okay? And now let's say this app, the messages app, right? I wanna open this. I already put a face ID on it, and it says Face ID required. And if it does not detect my Face ID, or my face is not in the reach, it will ask for the passcode. Now you can add this Face ID or passcode thing on almost in any app. Let's say I have this app X. If I press and hold, and it gives me an option here. See, require Face ID. All I have to do is just tap here and confirm one more time, require Face ID. So I press here, and then now every time I open, or let's say I give my phone to somebody and I don't want him to get into the pictures, but the phone is unlocked, so they can have my phone. And when they click on the iPhone, if it's not locked with a Face ID, so obviously they have access to the picture. So if I lock it with require Face ID and require Face ID, now if they try to open it, they're gonna get this message, Face ID required. Now as soon as they see my face, it unlocks it. But I thought it's a cool feature. It's in iOS 18. There are more bunch of features like on a lock screen. You can get rid of the flashlight, which I already did on this phone, or you can bring it back. I'll show you how in a second. You go to lock screen and then you add, and there you go, you have a flash light on your home screen. So I made another video in detail, separate video, how you can get rid of it, or you can bring it back, or you can there are a bunch of more options to add it on the lock screen. You can choose from there. And I'll be making shorter videos instead of making a big video discussing all the features. And please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, because there are a bunch of cool features I'll be showing in my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.